marami pa rin people in the street. Tinignan ko sa ref, kukunin ko yung binigay. Pagbukas ko ng ref, kinuha ko.
There you go in the line. You want to try? Okay then, are you in Hong Kong? Feels like Hong Kong, no?
No, Chinatown. Filipino Chinatown.
Philippines.
Apparently, going to America is too expensive, so we had to resort to being here.
Okay, go.
I am here in this location called Chinatown in Philippines. You might confuse this as American Chinatown, but yes, there is a Philippine Chinatown. See, it's right there.
Anong kulay tawag dyan? Magic water. So, ano yan? Matamis siya, ganoon.
Opo, gulaman, white gulaman.
Gulaman din. So, may taste of vanilla. Okay. Sige, you go there, Takira. Go first. Simple thing. O, tingnan niyo yung picture. Here. What's that? Show it. Yung toasted siopaw, toasted ba talaga? Or like that lang? Toast. Oo, hiwa. Magkano sa siopaw? Yeah.
Wala.
It's raining. What you eating? The dalgona?
I'm eating pure sugar, by the way.
How's the been on the trip, Dad? Yummy, masarap yung siopaw. Ha? What?
Let me taste the sauce.
Yeah. What is this?
Kimchi roll.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Yeah.
Ginger, ano? Nice. You check? What's this one?
Ano yun?